Right, raining hard outside and it's a bit dark. We've now got 4 lemons in series. So if I go across them, we've actually got just over 2 volts. So if we connect this up, we've obviously got the voltage but not much current. Yeah, it's not enough to keep it going. And as soon as we attach the load, we're down to half a volt again. That's disappointing. I'll probably edit out quite a bit. Had a go with the lemons and was getting nowhere at all. So I've now rigged them up in parallel to give us more capacity. So we've got 4 lemons, or 4 lemon halves, arranged in parallel. So if we go across the positive and negative, we've got 0.9 volts. So I'll now connect them up. Got a bit of a kick. I'll solder that on just for giving us the best possible contact. All right. Definitely got a bit of a kick. We'll give it a little push to help it. So we've now got a pulse motor running off a lemon. In the video description, there'll be links to my pulse motor videos and to my saltwater, lemon, potato, etc. batteries. This looks a little bit complicated over here. It's just because I used the bits of wire that I had available and joined them together. But it's a bright zinc screw and a piece of copper wire in each lemon. So it's zinc and copper, zinc, copper, zinc, copper, zinc, copper. All the zincs, which are the negatives, are linked together, and all the coppers, which are the positives, are linked together. So we've got 4 cells in parallel in a battery, a lemon battery. I expect if we go across them, it'll probably only show about half a volt. But I think that's something to do with the way the circuit works. No, it's gone up to about 0.7. what it does is it draws current to fill up the capacitor, then it sends a pulse to the motor to send the magnets away. It repels the magnets, and then it draws more current to fill up the capacitor again. And I think me putting the meter across there has just drawn a bit more than it wanted, and it's slowed it down. Yeah. Well, I've done nothing to it. It just sort of kicked itself round, and it seems to be picking up speed. Probably just a matter of that capacitor getting charged up. And once it's fully charged, each pulse doesn't drain it too far. Well, that's a surprise. I'll just leave it running for a while so you can see it's not that I've just given it a flick or anything. It's definitely running itself off the Lemon battery. It's clearly charged up that capacitor, and it's reached the point where it can keep going. I think I'll throw the bananas away. Focus. There we go. Zinc and clear. I didn't buy those screws specially. I had them in my stock. Just thinking about this, I remember bigclivedotcom did a reverse engineer on the circuit on these solar rockers and explained that's how they'd self-start, that they build up the charge in the capacitor and keep sending a pulse through to try and start the, in normal cases, the rocker moving. Because once it's started swinging, you can build it up with each tiny pulse. In the case of a pulse motor, you're building up the speed of the rotation. Just for reference, it's 5:05, Thursday the 8th of February. I don't expect this to keep running for days or weeks, but it's just handy to know what time it started running. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.